Alright guys, so we got a GE French door, and you can see all the frosting. Now, this unit actually had two issues. We had a fan that was stopped, and we also had a clogged drain. So, you'll see how it was frosted over, and be careful when you remove that. Don't yank it off. It is frozen, and you must use a steamer or at least a hair dryer, but be very delicate with a hair dryer. I recommend a steamer and be delicate.
All right, so we're not too bad. Yeah, we do have a clogged drain. See the water? So water should be draining, and you have a drain hole right there. So there's a good chance that the fan is still okay.
Okay.
So we're actually gonna turn the fridge back on after we melt that and get it all melted. And we're gonna clear that drain hole. I'm gonna use some super hot water or a steamer. Guys, so we still have a little bit of water down in the drain. See it? So we're gonna blast this out.
Also, guys, make sure that your drain is fully defrosted so that when you do pour water, as you'll see shortly, it has to go down.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna be checking for making sure the drain is totally clear. I'm gonna pour some water and it should go down. If it's pooling, it tells you that the drain is still clogged. You can pour up top, doesn't matter. Now you don't want to overfill your drain pan. It does have a limited capacity. But as you can see, the water is drained. Nothing, nice and dry. All right, now we're gonna check this fan just to make sure that it is coming on. I think we do have a bad fan. Listen. But we're gonna plug the unit on and see if it turns on. If not, we'll have to replace the fan. Turn it with my hand just a little bit and see if it spins. I can feel it. See that? But it may not stay running. You'll see it. And the noise you're hearing was that, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, and even a little bit louder than that. Is the fan always running?
It depends based on when it's needed. When it first starts up, yes. Do you have WD-40? I'm going to spray a little bit on there, see if we can prolong the life. Alright guys, if you're going to put your fan in, just want to make sure that you put it in correctly. The white piece that stays up the sticker, and it should blow. See that? It's blowing. Now, if you put it on the hair, don't get too close to it now. You can see it wants to suck. See that? Don't get too close, but it's literally sucking up, moving the air up into the rest of the refrigerator. So looks like this fan is running, so we don't know how long it's going to stay running. So we're going to use a little bit of WD-40 and see if we can extend the life until we get back to replace it. Yeah, it's a hit and miss. They get corroded on the inside. Maybe a piece of paper towel?
Sure.
Wow. Quiet.
Mm-hmm.
That's quiet. I use this stuff all the time. I have a link to it as well. All right, guys, we're done here. We're gonna just got our screws in. Those are 1/4" screws. Don't forget your cover here. Everything looks good. Then we're gonna put the side pieces on. Plug in. All right, guys. So put these on. You do have, see that tab? Tab. Secure your wire. And you're gonna push. It will lock in. There it is. A little more push. There it is. Then your screw. Don't forget your plug. All right, guys, we're done here. Just gotta put these back in. And by the way, to put these in, you do have little tabs here, and then the bottom of the bin will fit right into it, and you just slide it in. Do it in tandem. Fan is working. The tissue. Everything's doing good. All right, we're gonna put this bottom drawer in here. Now what you wanna do, you wanna pull this guy, make sure as far as possible, both of them, and you're gonna slide your drawer in. Keep going, keep going. You might have to lift just a little bit first. Good. And then as you lift, you slide it in. See? Let's see, all right, pull it back out a little bit. All right, so there we go. Yours dropping.
I think so.
See?
Yeah, it's at the end. Yes.
Awesome. Beautiful. And guys, don't block that hole. Don't put sodas in front of it. You do have a fan and a damper that blows cold air in here. You do not want to block it, otherwise you'll end up freezing the top. Keep that open. Thanks for watching.